Join me as I dive deep into the world of Rdgtx stock and try to predict what's next for its future. Rdgtx stock has been making waves in the market lately, and for good reason. As a leader in the tech industry, the company has managed to carve out a niche for itself by providing innovative solutions to real-world problems. With a strong track record of innovation and a commitment to excellence, Rdgtx has become a household name among investors. When it comes to the current challenges facing Rdgtx stock, there are a few key factors that come into play. Firstly, market volatility has been a major issue, with the stock price fluctuating wildly in response to global events. This has made it difficult for investors to get a clear read on the stock's trajectory, leading to a lot of uncertainty and anxiety. Another challenge facing Rdgtx is competition from other tech giants, who are constantly vying for market share and attention. This has put pressure on Rdgtx to innovate and stay ahead of the curve, which can be a tall order. In recent weeks, Rdgtx has also been in the news for all the wrong reasons. A series of high-profile setbacks and controversies has led to a decline in investor confidence, causing the stock price to take a hit. This is definitely a cause for concern, as Rdgtx needs to work hard to regain the trust of its investors and prove that it's still a solid long-term bet. Despite these challenges, Rdgtx still has a lot going for it. The company has a strong track record of innovation and has made some savvy investments in emerging technologies. This has positioned it well to take advantage of future growth opportunities and stay ahead of the competition. Moving on to recent trends in Rdgtx stock, there are a few key things to note. Firstly, financial reports have been generally positive, with the company posting strong revenue growth and solid earnings. This has helped to buoy investor sentiment and provide a much-needed boost to the stock price. Another positive trend is the growing interest in Rdgtx from institutional investors, who are starting to see the stock as a solid long-term bet. This is reflected in the increasing number of hedge funds and mutual funds that are taking positions in Rdgtx. In terms of expert opinions, there's been a lot of buzz around Rdgtx's potential for future growth. Many analysts are predicting that the stock will rebound strongly in the coming months, driven by the company's strong fundamentals and growing demand for its products. This is definitely a positive sign, and suggests that Rdgtx may be due for a rebound. One thing that's clear from analyzing Rdgtx's financial reports and expert opinions is that the company is still a solid long-term bet. Despite the challenges it's facing, Rdgtx has the fundamentals in place to succeed, and is well positioned to take advantage of future growth opportunities. So what's next for Rdgtx stock? Based on my analysis, I believe that the company is due for a rebound in the coming months. With its strong fundamentals and growing demand for its products, Rdgtx is well positioned to take advantage of future growth opportunities and provide strong returns for investors. Of course, there are still challenges to be aware of, but overall I'm bullish on Rdgtx's prospects. In summary, Rdgtx stock is definitely worth keeping an eye on, despite the challenges it's facing. With its strong track record of innovation and commitment to excellence, the company is well positioned to succeed in the long term. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below. If you're new here, consider subscribing for more content on Rdgtx stock and other investment opportunities. And if you're interested in more in-depth analysis, be sure to check out my other video on similar stock analyses.